Let's practice so we're all on the same page, because I think that's pretty sexy when we're all on the same page. Step, step. Take it down, go down, throat, blow. Good job again. Step, step, step. Take it down, low, down, throat, blow. Flick off the haters.
Your body feels like disrespect.
Other side now, go. God, you have so many haters. What'd you do?
Yeah, I'm addicted to it.
Grab your guitar now.
I felt you coming and I couldn't escape. I'm in the belly of the beast again. My dirty secret.
Dramatic accents now, go.
Don't stop now, you got me ready to blow.
3 more. I lied last one. Sexy turn. Whoa. Lost my balance there, you blew me away.
Got a problem, think I'm into it.
Switch sides.
Hold it in my chest. I take a hit and let it burn my lips.
Grab your guitar.
I felt it coming and I couldn't escape. I'm in the belly of the beast again. My dirty secret.
Accents hit them hard.
Don't stop now, you got me ready to blow.
Last one. Take it back. Don't hate me. You see what Haley and Allison are doing?
You got me blowing.
This is your challenge move. I don't expect you to get it, but I expect you to try. Are you excited? Are you nervous? Let's go right now! Hit it!
Twinkle, twinkle, where's the star? Passed out in the back of my car.
2 more!
Blacked out from the night before.
Last one.
How we let it get this far?
If this dance didn't blow you away, the fit of our Shop Active Booty clothes certainly will. Follow us on Spotify, Workout by the Fitness Marshall. It's our revamped playlist to keep you dancing. Watch the official video right here and click here to do our 16 30-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week.